Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick video for 2024-2025 on our costofoils.com email. We have in the past used different types of email platforms, and so this is the most up-to-date version of how to add your @costofoils.com email to a desktop utility. We suggest everybody download ThunderBird. If you type in ThunderBird in Google, the first result will be the ThunderBird platform. All the instructions that I'm about to give also work for Outlook, but we do think that ThunderBird is a superior platform in regards to our email system that we use internally. You can click download or click on the link. If you click on the main website, just click on the download link at the top. It'll bring you to ThunderBird, and then you can download it to your operating system. Now, I already have ThunderBird installed, so I'm going to bring you to the platform and how it looks. If you have no email accounts, obviously I have multiple email accounts. We have our orders email, which is an email that we have for all our service champ orders. We get a notification, all of our oil orders. Time station is every time a corporate employee clocks in and clocks out. Our support email, which we put on a lot of the websites. The HQ email, which is kind of a collaborative email. And then at the top is my personal work email. If you have no emails, there should be one that says add existing account. So we're going to click on existing mail account. You'll put in your name. You'll put in the email address, and I'm going to go to SiteGrounds right now, and I will add this information to the description of the video. This is the email configuration email right here, the incoming server, the port, the outgoing server, and the SMTP port. So once you put all that information into ThunderBird and you add the email, you're going to hit continue, and it will authenticate everything. The account will then show up in this section with your inbox, draft, sent, archive, trash, junk, and you won't have any sent messages or deleted messages until you do those things, but that is how you set it up. It is that simple, and this will work for any email that is @costofoils.com. All you have to do, once again, is existing mail account, put in the full email address, put in the password. Once you hit continue, there's going to be a button for the other information, which again I will put in the description of the video, the email configuration right here, put in the full incoming server, the IMAP port, the outgoing server, the SMTP port. Alright, that is it. Thanks guys.